वेलकम बैक टू स्मार्ट मैथ्स विद सुरभि। आज का टॉपिक सुन के शायद आपको अपने बचपन के दिन याद आ जाएंगे, पतंग और ट्रेपेजॉइड। हाँ, आज हम पढ़ेंगे काइट एंड ट्रेपेजियम। काइट तो आप जानते ही हो, उसकी शेप कैसी होती है, बट क्या आप जानते हो काइट में कितनी अमेजिंग मैथ्स होती है? और ट्रेपेजियम एक ऐसा कोऑर्डिनेटर जो पैरेललोग्राम का रिलैक्स्ड वर्जन है। तो चलो चलते हैं। तो पहले है काइट, तो चलो हम इसे प्रूफ करते हैं। So what is a kite? Definition is a kite is this ABCD in which AB is equals to BC and CD is equals to DA in which two pairs of consecutive equal sides. अगर आप देखो they are consecutive equal sides. Consecutive मतलब adjacent sides जो side by side होती है. Okay. Now adjacent sides equal होती है kite में, but in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now there is a key point that we should know, that is अगर हमारे पास कोई पेपर होगा एंड वी फोल्ड इट वर्टिकली, मिरर इमेज हैज ओनली वन सिमेट्री अलोंग द डायगोनल AC. So अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ काइट. So in properties of kite, the first property we have a question in your textbook, that is in kite ABCD diagonal BD bisects angle ABC and angle ADC, and the second one is bisects AC, that is AC AO is equals to OC and perpendicular to it. We'll prove it in two steps. In step 1 we'll prove it triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by SSS, okay, and the second one AOB is congruent to triangle COB by SAS. So the first one is we'll prove triangle ABD congruent to CBD in which AB is equals to CB, that is the property of a kite, right? And then if you see AD is equals to CD, again a property of kite, and if you see BD, BD is common in both the triangles here. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by SSS, that is side side side. So part 1 is proved, right? So BD bisects angle B and BD also bisects angle D here. So this is how we have proved the first property of this. Now we are going to prove triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by SAS, that is side angle side. If you see the two triangles are there in which AB is equals to CB, that is the property of a kite, and angle AOB is equals to angle COB. We have proved earlier, right? So and OB, that is common in both the triangles. So this is how I have proved that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by side angle side. So AO is equals to OC, that is BD bisects AC, and angle AOB is equals to angle COB, that is at 90 degree. So students, let's give a quick summary to the properties of kites that we have learned. So first is the definition: two pairs of consecutive equal sides, that is AB is equals to BC and CD is equals to DA. Property 1 says BD bisects angle BND, and property 1b says BD bisects AC, that is AO is equals to OC and BD is 90 degree to AC, and AC is the symmetry. अब आते हैं हम ट्रेपेजियम पे. पैरेललोग्राम याद है ना, उसमें दोनों पेयर्स ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स क्या होती है? पैरेलल. तो अगर सिर्फ एक पेयर पैरेलल हो तो क्या बनता है? ट्रेपेजियम. तो इसकी डेफिनेशन होती है, अ ट्रेपेजियम इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल विद एटलीस्ट one pair of parallel opposite sides. Now let's talk about trapezium now. So in a parallelogram we have two pair of parallel sides, but in trapezium we have at least one pair of parallel sides. Okay, so this is the difference between a parallelogram and a trapezium. If you can see, I have drawn a trapezium on the right hand side, and the definition is quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel opposite side. एंड इसमें बेस क्या होता है? द पैरेलल साइड्स PQ एंड SR क्या होते हैं? वी कॉल इट एज द बेसेस. ओके, एंड लेग्स क्या होते हैं? जो नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स होती है दैट आर कॉल्ड द लेग्स हियर, दैट इज PC एंड QR. सो PQ एंड SR आर ट्रेपेजियम. नाउ व्हाट इज अ को इंटीरियर एंगल्स? दैट इज एंगल S प्लस एंगल P इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. सो व्हाई पैरेलल लाइंस प्लस द ट्रांसवर्स? बिकॉज PQ is parallel to SR, that is the transverse of PS. So they are co-interior angles, that is 180 degree. So if you see angle S at plus angle P, that is 180 degree okay, and angle Q and angle R is equals to 180 degree because they are co-interior angles, and PS is a transverse. So, angle P plus angle S is equals to 180 degree. So, similarly QR is also. Students, there are some special types of trapezium that is called a isosceles trapezium. Now you will be asking me that ma'am ये isosceles trapezium क्या है? So the definition is when a legs, that is a non-parallel sides of trapezium, are equal, it is called a isosceles trapezium. So we will construct a trapezium UVWX in which UV is parallel to WX. They are called the parallel bases in this. Now UX is equals to VX because they are equal legs. So this is isosceles. Now how to construct it? So we will draw a base UV, mark XW, so that Ux is equals to Vw and Xw is equals to Uv. Now students, if you see in this trapezium, you can see a hidden rectangle, right? So what is the construction? You will drop a perpendicular here from Xw to base Uv और उसको आप y और z लिख देंगे, ठीक है. अब Xw is parallel to Uv, this is a trapezium, and XY is 90 degree to UV because y is 90 degree. Similarly एंगल Z भी क्या है यहाँ 90 डिग्री है, राइट. अगर आप आगे भी देखेंगे, सो दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल, यू कैन सी ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. सो दिस प्रूव्स दैट ऑल एंगल्स आर व्हाट अ 90 डिग्री. सो XW ZY is a rectangle here in this trapezium. So if you see, there is one more beautiful result in this, that base angle equals angle U is equals to angle B. Now if you see the rectangle, XY is equals to WZ, right, and UX is equals to VY because they have equal legs here. Then UY is equals to YZ. This is a symmetry, right students? Just see on the right hand side. Now this proves that angle UXY is congruent to triangle VWZ by SSS. This proves that angle U is equals to angle V, that is base angle of isosceles trapeziums are always equal. Same as isosceles triangles, equal base, equal sides. Let's do a mega recap today.
Kite, two pairs of consecutive equal sides, diagonal BD bisects angles B and D, BD perpendicularly bisects AC, and AC is the axis of symmetry. Trapezium, at least one pair of parallel sides, co-interior angles on the same leg add to 180 degrees. Isosceles trapezium, legs are equal, base angles are equal, and there is a hidden rectangle inside. The big idea, SSS and SAS congruence are the keys that unlock every single property of quadrilaterals.
आज हमने काइट और ट्रेपेजियम के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखा. घर में एक एक्टिविटी ट्राई करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, एक आइसोसेलेस ट्रेपेजियम ड्रॉ करना और उस पे एक परपेंडिकुलर बना देना और देखना कि रेक्टेंगल वाली बात सच है या नहीं. अगर कोई डाउट है कमेंट में पूछो, मैं जरूर जवाब दूंगी. लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन. स्मार्ट मैथ्स विद सुरभि के साथ मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे चैप्टर 4 की एक्सरसाइज के साथ. तब तक के लिए कीप कैलकुलेटिंग, कीप स्माइलिंग. बाय बाय.